G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We are here today at a lovely home, 194 Pulgul Street in the popular marina side suburb of Urangan. This fantastic home needs to be viewed to appreciate all that's on offer. Let's go take a look around. Positioned in the highly sought after location of Urangan, easy walking distance to the nearby pet-friendly beach and only minutes away from key amenities which do include the Hervey Bay Boat Club, marina, schools, sporting grounds, aquatic centre, shopping centres, beach and the iconic Urangan pier. This lovely home has been designed around capturing the lifestyle that comes with living in beautiful Hervey Bay. The kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes plenty of bench space, loads of storage, a large pantry, electric cooktop, range hood and an oven. Showcasing a light and spacious single level design, this home offers an open plan dining area with separate lounge room, allowing everyone their own space. When you're ready to entertain, simply open the sliding doors to access the covered east-facing outdoor entertaining area and create one vast living hub, perfect for those family and friend gatherings. This sound brick and tile home was built in 1994 and includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and offers a lovely fusion between classic and contemporary style. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, built-in wardrobe and ensuite. The 2 remaining bedrooms both include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bathroom includes both a bath and a shower, and there's also a separate toilet. The spacious single garage has a remote roller door and offers direct access into the home. Those looking to accommodate large caravans and boats will appreciate the clear side access to the double bay shed with power and a workshop to the rear of this great 600 square metre allotment. The owners of this beautiful home have committed to selling and are now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity, call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.